Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB is running dead slow, you're not alone. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, but often it's simply because the RAM is insufficient for your needs. If left unaddressed, you may experience further sluggishness, crashes, or even an inability to run essential applications, which can really hinder your productivity. To tackle this issue, we'll be replacing the RAM in your device. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and the new RAM compatible with your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over, and using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious and take your time to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, locate the RAM slots. You should see 1 or 2 sticks of RAM installed. To remove the faulty RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick away from the module. It should pop up slightly, allowing you to pull it out easily. When inserting the new RAM, align it with the slot and press down firmly until the clips click back into place, securing it. Ensure you're using the correct type of RAM as specified for the Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga and check if it runs smoother. You can do this by opening several applications at once and ensuring it operates without lag. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you regularly check your RAM usage and consider upgrading it if you frequently find yourself running out of memory. Keeping your software updated can also help manage resources effectively. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.